guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I've got something very special to share with you. This is a hidden AI tool that not many people know about yet, and it's honestly one of the coolest apps I've used in a long time. With this one app, you can generate unlimited images and videos. And yes, it's completely free at the moment. Now, imagine this. You type a few words, and within seconds, you get a high-quality image. Then with just one tap, you can turn that image into a moving video. And not just that, you can even upload your own photos and animate them. Sounds amazing, right? Let me show you exactly how it works step by step. First, you need to head over to the Play Store. In the search bar, just type Grok AI. That's the app we'll be using today. Once it shows up, go ahead and install it. The installation hardly takes a minute. Now when you open the app for the first time, it'll ask you to log in. Don't worry, it's super simple. Just tap on Continue with Google, select your account, and boom, you're logged in. No long forms, no complicated signups. Alright, once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard. The interface is very clean and easy to use, so even if you've never tried AI tools before, you'll be totally fine. You'll notice two big options here. The first one is Imagine, which is used to generate images from text prompts. And the second is Create Video, which is for turning those images into animations or full videos. So let's try this out. I'm going to type a simple prompt. Something like, a young boy holding a microphone and singing in a park with a blurred background. Now watch what happens. Within a few seconds, the app starts generating multiple images. And here's the amazing part, it doesn't stop at just a few results. The more you scroll, the more images it keeps creating. It's literally unlimited. Now let's say you find an image you really like. Just tap on it. From here, you can download it directly to your phone, or you can press the Make Video button. And this is where the magic happens. The app will automatically add animation, so if the boy is holding a mic, it'll actually look like he's singing. The picture comes to life in front of your eyes. But it gets even better. You can customize the video however you like. For example, I wanted the boy to sing while walking. So I tapped Redo, typed singing while walking, and the app instantly gave me a new animated video. You can do the same with other prompts like running, flying, dancing, literally anything you can think of. Another feature I really love is that you can upload your own photos and convert them into videos. So if you have a selfie, a drawing, or even an old photo, just upload it into the app. It will animate it for you, and you can even add custom actions. This means you can bring your own pictures to life without doing any manual editing. Now let's talk about the quality. The images and videos are crystal clear. They're high resolution, completely watermark free, and look very professional. Once you save them to your device, they're yours to use anywhere. Post them on YouTube, share them on TikTok, upload them to Instagram. There are no restrictions. And here's something that really impressed me. The videos even come with background audio automatically. For example, if your video is of someone singing in a park, you'll hear ambient sounds that make it feel more real. Of course, you can mute the sound if you want, but honestly, the built-in audio makes the videos look even more alive. Now, the best part about this whole thing is that it's unlimited. There are no credits, no daily limits, nothing like that. You can generate as many images and videos as you want. And remember, it's free right now. Later, they might introduce paid plans or premium versions, but at the moment, you can enjoy everything without spending a single rupee. So think about the possibilities. You can use this app to create short videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You can make AI art for Instagram. You can even use it for storytelling, music videos, or just for fun experiments. The only limit here is your imagination. Personally, I think this is one of the most powerful yet simple AI apps out there right now. And since it's free, there's really no reason not to try it. Just download it, experiment with different prompts, and you'll be surprised at what kind of amazing results you can create in just a few minutes. So yeah, that's the secret tool I wanted to share with you today. Go ahead and try it for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep exploring.